Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today is a workout day that I did, and also I did the one meal a day, and I ate at 7 p.m. So I first started off with some dumbbell incline bench press, 3 sets of 10 reps. This was a superset. So after you do the dumbbell incline bench press for 10 reps, then you do some dumbbell incline flies. For the bench press I was using 20 kg dumbbells, and for the flies I was using 7.5 kilograms. So yeah, I was just doing this for 3 sets. So I was like, I'm like filming myself doing this workout, and then you can see this, my second set. You can see the old guy next to me. He doesn't care, like he's not a hot babe or anything. You can film what you want. I'm not there to film him. I'm here to film my workout to show you guys, And then a dumb cunt just when I'm doing my third set just had to bug me and tell me I'm not allowed to film at the gym and all that stuff. I'm like, you must just check on YouTube and Anatoly and Larry Wheels and all that. When they're filming themselves, okay? We're not here to film your bums, Look at that dumb Indian guy. Just look at him. You can already see I'm filming there, and then he had to come near me and mess up my set. And then we had like a little argument. So if you want to see that argument, you can check my previous video that I posted. He thought he could take advantage of me, but I won't let that happen. After you do these kind of pumps, you don't let no one bounce you around. But anyways, screwed up my workout, so yeah, it's how it is. It just had to happen today. But anyways, we keep on grinding, because weight training, it controls your mind and your body. So yeah, just finishing up my superset over here. I was gonna chill by the bench press area, but then there was that stupid cunt was messing around and caused such a scene at the gym that I just had to just move away. So anyway, today was like my body was still in pain from that other workout, so we took it a bit light. So I just went to the lat pull downs over here. So over here I did superset. I did 3 sets of lat pull down. So lat pull down, I did 15 reps at 30 kgs, and then followed with some row pull down. No, what do you call these rows here, machine rows. And also did it supersetted with a 15 rep there at 30 kg. So you just gotta repeat this for 3 sets. At this time I was like, just keep on pumping these weights. I was like so mad in my head. I was like, I was just crazy. I was just doing it. Even if I could feel that tension on my back, I just said, let me just keep on pulling it no matter what. It's like sometimes at the gym when someone pisses you off, you just have to work it out and everything. Luckily at the gym there was a guy that told me, don't ruin your reputation at the gym, or else if he didn't come, I would have started rolling with that guy, because he said he wanted to give me a hiding in his dreams. But anyways, life continues. You don't want to go to jail for nothing. You don't want to hurt people for nothing, for a little dumb problem, because they are too old to figure out that we are not filming them. We don't have a purpose to film them. They are not celebrities. And yeah, anyways, keep on pumping. So I just stuck at the lat pull down machine here. You can see the grip is just shoulders width grip. for 3 sets. And then after this, I did a close grip pull down. So it just works different parts of your back while you're doing this exercise. I'm not a bodybuilder. I'm just here to like do a lot of workouts, get lean, build a lot of strength in different muscle parts of my body. That helps me function on a daily basis when I lift boxes or heavy items or rice bags. So yeah, these kind of exercises just builds the muscle that helps you. Okay, so I'm done with that, those 3 sets. Now you can see here, I'm doing the close grip, pull down. Same thing, 3 sets, 15 reps each. And it's also a superset with the machine rows for 15 reps. I was going to like film different angles, but then you know after the managers told me to don't film anyone and all that stuff, so I'm just keeping it low that day. But anyways, next time when I hit the gym, I'm going to film everywhere again. As long as I'm not filming people, what is the issue? If you walk across my camera and you got captured, that is your problem. No one told you to come near me, man. And even if it captured, no one gives a damn what you filming. Everyone is filming in the gym these days. It was just that stupid cunt. I'm not doing my bench press, and then when he was greeting that stupid old guy, and then he's standing there waiting for me to greet him or something. I was like, what the fuck are you waiting there? I don't know you, bum, and I don't want to greet you because I'm working out. And then he just had to come and tune me. But anyways, I gave him a good roast. Embarrass his bum at the gym. So yeah, this is the workout. I usually don't do much of these easy workouts, but today just messed me up, and I just had to find a spot where I could film and just do a little workout. But anyways, doing these workouts, it will help me do better calisthenics with the pull-ups and yeah, many other exercises. So yes, 15 reps, close grip, pull down, followed with the followed with the machine rows for 15 reps. And then you can feel your upper back muscles and your lower back muscles starting to tense up, and that's what you want. Well, the real exercises that you do, if you check my other video, are the barbell squats, deadlifts, barbell rows, shoulder press, and the bench press. Like after I did that workout, you can feel it the next day. But you can see what I did. I just did this workout. I don't feel much of a difference this morning of what effect. Maybe it wasn't heavy enough, but it was good that it wasn't that heavy, because it'll be like a recovery day. Okay, so after those 3 sets, you can see now I'm doing the wide grip pull downs. It will work on your lats more. It will give you a wider back. This is the exercise that you do for a wider back. If you want that V taper kind of body shape, and followed with more of the machine rows. It's like back. If you want to have a good back, it's always just about pulling, just rowing your back. If you do a lot of deadlifts, you're gonna get like a more of a squarish kind of midsection. So you just need to do some wide grip pull downs just to get those lats popping out a bit, to get that V shape kind of body shape. Yeah, but anyways, today I think when I go to the gym, I'm just going to work on my cardio. I'm going to do some running, boxing, rope jumping, and also some battle ropes. You know, I'm a fighter, you know, so I'm not here to just do weight training. Weight training is just to help strengthen up my bones and to keep my mind straight. But in real life, you have to do that intense cardio. So once in a while, in a week, you have to do it once. But you stick with weight training because it gives you that body figure. Doing a lot of cardio, it will just make you look sloppy and body fat. When people look at you, even if you work out so much on cardio, people, when they look at you, you still look fat. But when you do a lot of weight training, I don't know, it just burns those tiny fats and it tones you up. And then when people look at you, even if you didn't lose no weight, they still say, hey, you look like you work out and you lose it. It looks like you lost weight and all that stuff, but your weight is still at the same weight level, but you're losing body fat. But anyways, my goal this year is to reach back 80 kilograms. So today is my third day on the 1 meal a day diet. This workout day was just my second day. I ate at 7 p.m. a big meal. The thing about the 1 meal a day is that at the end of the night you can have a big meal. I eat at 7 p.m. so that it gives me a 3-hour window before I go to bed, so I can digest the food and get into my system. But what I like about the 1 meal a day is it keeps you active during the day. So you don't think about anything, you just think about working on yourself, doing your job and all that stuff, and then you try not to think about food. So yeah, after those that machine pull downs, I went to do some of these curls. It's also like a superset. So I did the rope tricep pull down for 20 reps, followed with the straight bar bicep curl for 20 reps as well. So while you're doing these triceps here, once you reach for 14 reps, and then you can start to feel that tricep working, that pain that you have to go through. And also same with those bicep curls. After I think the 12th rep, and then from that extra 8 reps to the 20 reps, you start to feel that tension coming on the bicep. So yeah, I kept the weight low. I think it was just I was just using 20 kgs there, so that means it was 10 kgs for each arm. Yeah, sometimes to incorporate some of these pulling workouts into your muscles, it can also helps with your calisthenics as well. That spring action. Yeah. When you use dumbbells, it makes you thick, long arms and all that stuff. But when you use these pulling machines, it works on the spring action of your muscles. So yeah, so sometimes incorporating this, it'll also help you with your pull-ups and your fast pull-ups and push-ups and all that stuff. But as I can see myself in the video, the one thing I need to work on is my midsection. But anyways, I'm doing the 1 meal a day, so I can already feel my stomach. A lot of the fat has been eaten up during that rest period. You can see I'm training on an empty stomach. And I don't know, when you train on an empty stomach, it's like you are more powerful. It's like the body uses more of your body's resources. So yeah, it's good instead of using what you ate in the morning. Yeah, but it's still a struggle. I still need that protein shake after the workout. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I'm completing my last set over here. I hope you guys enjoyed my workout and listen to me complain about what happened today during this workout. But hopefully one day I'll look back at this video and remember this day. But anyways, thanks guys for watching, and hope you guys give this video a thumbs up. Okay, you can see the struggle there. You can see the struggle up to the 20 reps. Okay, thanks guys for watching.